Hey Tech fam, GadInsider here with massive Samsung news. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 screen survives 500,000 folds, and Samsung's tech is powering Apple's first foldable iPhone. Let's dive into this foldable revolution, a display that lasts 10 years of folding. Samsung's Z Fold 7 is tougher than ever, and it's shaking up the smartphone game. Ready for the details? Keep watching! Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 7 is redefining foldable phones with a display that endured 500,000 folds in tests by Bureau Veritas, as reported on July 22, 2025. That's 13 days of non-stop folding, equivalent to 10 years at 100 folds a day or 6 years for heavy users, folding 200 times daily. Samsung's display EVP Ho-Jung Lee says this proves foldable OLEDs are built to last, thanks to high elastic adhesive and bulletproof glass tech that boosts fold recovery by 4 times. This durability milestone isn't just for Samsung. It's reported Samsung Display's been tapped to make screens for Apple's first foldable iPhone, set for summer 2026. That's a big deal, showing Samsung's tech is trusted by even its rivals. But here's the catch. A recent X survey says 64% of consumers aren't sold on foldables yet, citing price and unfamiliarity. Still, with the Z Fold 7's 7.6-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X screen and Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, Samsung's pushing to make foldables mainstream. Why is this huge? The Z Fold 7's insane durability, 500,000 folds, means foldables aren't just a gimmick anymore. Add Samsung powering Apple's foldable iPhone, and we're looking at a new era of flexible, tough smartphones. This could win over skeptics and reshape the market. Hyped for the Galaxy Z Fold 7? Drop a comment. Would you go foldable? Smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell for more tech scoops.